My correct person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when you see this video. This is my favorite blog, and we bring you Open Heavens Daily Devotional in Pidgin English. For Friday, will be the 18th day of October 2024. Our topic for today now, decree over your children. And our Bible reading for today, they come from the book of Genesis chapter 27 from verse 18 go show body reach 38. Make we read am. Jacob go meet him papa come say, my papa Isaac answer, na me be this, which of my pikin dey talk? Jacob answer him papa, na me Esau, your first pikin. I don't do as you tell me. Now sit down make you chop so that you go bless me. But Isaac ask him pikin, na how you take kill the animal just now? Jacob answer, na the oga your God, na he help me. Then Isaac tell Jacob, my pikin, make you come near me, so that I go fit touch you, come know if you really be Esau. So Jacob waka go near papa Isaac, and Isaac touch am, come say, this voice be like Jacob own, but the hand be like Esau own. He not know Jacob because air full in hand like a brother own. So Isaac bless Jacob. Then he ask her, you sure say na you be Esau? Jacob answer, na me. Isaac come tell her, my pikin, make you bring some of the bush meat make I chop. Then I go bless you when I chop finish. So Jacob take some of the bush meat, go give him papa, and Isaac chop am. He still give her wine drink. Then him papa Isaac come tell am, my pikin, make you come here, come kiss me. So Jacob waka go kiss am. When Isaac feel am say the cloth dey smell, he come bless her say, yes, my pikin dey smell like say e dey inside bush wey God don bless. May God give you dew from the sky and the good things wey dey the earth, plus many corn and wine. People go serve you and nations go bow to you. Na you go be oga over your brother, and your mama children go bow for you. Anybody wey curse you, curse go dey head, and blessing go follow those wey bless you. So Isaac just bless Jacob finish, and as Jacob waka leave am, him brother Esau just dey come back. Esau too prepare sweet food, wan go give him papa. Esau come tell him papa, my papa, get up make you come chop some bush meat wey your pikin cook, so that you go bless me. Papa Isaac come ask her, na who you be? Esau answer, na me be your firstborn Esau. Isaac come dey shake well, so he ask, then who come give me bush meat chop? I chop everything before you come, and I bless the person, and blessing go really follow am. Our memory verse for today now from Mark chapter 10 verse 16. Mark chapter 10 verse 16. After Jesus draw the children near body, come dey bless them. Make we enter the message wey we get for you for today. You go decree something, and e go come to pass, and the light go shine upon your ways. This na wetin Bible talk for inside Job chapter 22 verse 28. The Bible verse wey we just read talk say, anything wey you decree go come to pass for you. This one mean say you need to be very careful about what you dey decree, because it go come to pass. This na why e get body dey always dey do me anytime when I see parents wey dey talk negative things over their children wey dey born carelessly. Proverbs chapter 22 verse 15 talk say, children no dey know say the way that they behave no good, but better correction go teach them how to behave well. I know say some children dey very naughty, dey stubborn. However, the way you take dey respond to their behavior go a very long way to determine whether those children go turn out good or they go worse pass as they dey. As parents, how you suppose to take respond to your children behavior? You dey make negative pronouncement like, you comot here useless pikin, you no go be anything for life, or you dey make positive declarations like, you, God make you for signs and wonders. E no matter what the devil may try, you go succeed. Anything wey you talk na wetin go happen. Power dey inside your tongue, and this power, e get more power over your children because na you bring them come this world. As a parent, God don't give you power over the future of your children. Not be so that you go take destroy them, but so that you go feel shape them into wetin He really wants them to be for life. For our Bible reading for today, Jacob go meet Isaac and he get blessing. As soon as he comot, Esau come. Isaac go tell am say he don already bless Jacob, and Jacob go dey really blessed. Anything you talk over your children life, especially when your emotions don dey rise, your blood dey hot, e go stand and e go get power over them. After Jacob don get the blessings and he come begin dey run, he encounter God for Genesis chapter 28 from verse 12 to 22. God not talking anything about the fact say he cheat his brother collect blessing. God not say, yeah, you cheat your brother, you go pay for her. At say God will tell Jacob, say, you, like that man wipe you. But God established the blessing when he get from his father. My beloved, I beg, decree better things over your children, whether they hurt you or not. Remember, say, anything you talk about them, it go happen. Not say something wey go affect them negatively, you go regret it later, and you go account for every word when you talk over the life of your children. And anything they become go also reflect on your life too. So speak blessings over your children all the time. Our key point for today be say, make you dey careful over the things wey you dey decree over the life of your children. Now here we take come to the end of today's message. Don't forget, say our topic we will consider today na decree over your children. And we take the message from inside the Open Heavens Daily Devotional. The Open Heavens Devotional na book wey be like say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, write. And you listen to this message on top your Ogbongelicious channel, Favors Blog. I beg, make you not forget to like this video, share this video, and if you never subscribe, I beg, make you hit the subscribe button. If you don't subscribe, we want to say big thank you, but I beg still help us do more. Share the video go far and wide. Drop your comment, make we know whether the message wey we dey drop, whether it dey inspire you. Until we come your way again with another Ogbongelicious, betterlicious video, make it better for you, my correct person.